Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Priyanka. I make makeup and skincare related videos. Today I'm going to share my night skincare routine with minimal products. So let's get started. So the first thing is cleansing. For that I'm using this gentle cleanser from Foxtail. This cleanser is formulated with sodium hyaluronate and powerful humectant that draws moisture into your skin. It works beneath the surface and replenish your skin moisture barrier and leaving it feeling fresh. It also has red algae extract which is rich in antioxidants and essential minerals that helps to protect your skin from environmental stress while supporting its natural balance. This cleanser restores your skin natural glow without stripping or irritating. The next step is toning. I am using Suddhi Skin Clarifying Facial Spray from the Forest Essential. This toner is a treatment for acne prone and oily skin. It is an infusion superior Ayurvedic herb including purifying neem, healing turmeric, clove oil that helps to reduce acne scars and tighten pores and gives clear skin. Use it after cleansing both morning and night to prepare your skin for the next step in your skincare routine. Next, I am using this Cosrx Advanced Nail 96 Mucin Power Essence. This is a skincare powerhouse that deeply hydrates, repairs your skin with just a few drops. It is packed with 96% snail secretion. This essence is rich in nutrients, peptides that works together to repair skin damage, reduce fine lines and boost hydration for a smoother complexion. This unique texture glides onto your skin effortlessly, absorbing quickly without feeling sticky or heavy. Next is my most favorite product. This is Cosrx Advanced Nail 92 All-in-One Cream. This is my ultimate solution for hydrated, glowing, supple, all-in-one step. This is designed to hydrate and restore. This all-in-one cream helps to replenish your skin moisture barrier while improving skin elasticity. This rich yet lightweight formula melts into your skin, providing instant moisture without the sticky feeling, leaving your skin soft, supple, and visibly bright. This all-in-one cream is perfect for both day and night. You can also layer this with other products. Snail mucin is known as for its powerful regenerative properties. It helps promote skin healing, improve skin elasticity, and reduce hyperpigmentation, perfect for anyone looking to restore a youthful glow. The next step is for under eye care. For that I am using this Dot and Key under eye cream. This powerful product is packed with a dynamic blend of pomegranate, retinol and caffeine. These three skincare heroes work together to target dark circle, puffiness and fine lines. Pomegranate is rich in antioxidant, brightening the skin and reducing the appearance of dark circle. Retinol is known for its anti-aging benefits. It helps smooth fine lines and stimulate collagen production. Meanwhile, caffeine energizes tired eyes by reducing puffiness and improving circulation, helping you look wide awake even after a late night. Next and last step is this lip balm. My brother gave this to me. He got a freebie while traveling. This deeply hydrates, locks in moisture and protect your lip from dryness. Perfect for on the go, and its sleek design make it easy to carry in your pocket or purse. So this is how my skin looks after the entire skincare routine. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. I'll see you guys in the next week. Bye.